Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Hey, customers of LBR, thank you so much for allowing us to partner with you. We love serving you, we love the business that we have, and we look forward to a prosperous 2021. For Busch Rose's employees, we've been through a lot as a team this year. With the pandemic, social unrest, challenges left and right. I really appreciate the way you all have teamed together to serve our customers and take care of each other. Happy holidays to you and your family, and all the best to 2021.
To everybody out there, I started this year at LBR, and I've been so impressed with the team, both customers and the team within LBR. It's been a tough year and we've all overcome it, so thank you so much for everything you do and welcoming me. Have a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. Thanks.
Just want to say thank you to all of our customers, employees, for all you do for us, and have a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas.
Hi! I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a very prosperous and successful New Year. Thank you to all of our Busch Rose's awesome employees for all the hard work you've done and endured through this crazy, crazy year. Thank you to all of our customers for all you do and for spreading joy and beauty to the customers around our area. Appreciate you all. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from Busch Rose's. We appreciate your business, sincerely appreciate your business, and hope that you have a very Merry Christmas and a holiday season. And to our employees, we appreciate you coming in each and every day and for all the effort that you put into meeting our customers' needs. Thank you very much, and happy holidays to you as well.
Hey guys, being able to serve you, our employees, and also you, our customers, has been the greatest gift of all for me this year. So thank you for that. It's been a great year, and I'm looking forward to another great year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, everyone. This has been a wonderful year full of many challenges, new learnings, setbacks, loss. Just an incredible year with so many things going on. We want to thank all of our customers, all of our employees, and all of those associated with Busch Rose's for all they've done to contribute to this year, to deal with all the difficulties and share in all the successes and new beginnings that have happened. Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year.